I think one of the most important things to do when people are going through cancer is to balance their circadian rhythm, which means their day-night cycles, okay? Especially when people go through chemo and radiation, they can have a really reversal of the day-night cycles, well, which is not great. So believe it or not, your body's metabolic mechanisms are based on the excretion of certain hormones. There's cortisol, there's melatonin, there's other neuropeptides that are in there. I'm not gonna get into that specifically, but I wanna talk to you about what to actually do. And so if you were to eat just during the daylight hours and then stop eating after sundown, then your body can restore its circadian rhythm. And the reason behind it is that humans were not really made to eat at nighttime. We come from descendants of hunters and gatherers, and a lot of the food actually allows us to be in that circadian rhythm. So that's why eating late at night can cause sometimes acid reflux. You're laying there for a long time and you're not getting good quality sleep. And so we want to be able to mimic what our natural tendencies are, and that's by eating during the daylight and stop eating at sundown. So this is a type of fasting called the circadian rhythm fasting. There's a lot of research done on the circadian rhythm fasting. It's my favorite type of thing to do because one, it's easy, and it's two, you understand that if there's daylight outside, you eat. If it's sundown, you stop eating. And it can actually provide a very profound impact for anyone who's going through cancer and chemotherapy. And it's also a very natural de-stressor. So eating during the day, stop eating at night, it can promote that hormonal balance. So it allows the body to activate a serotonin, which is the happy neurotransmitter, and melatonin, which is the sleeping neurotransmitters that affect all of the body's metabolism. And circadian rhythm fasting has also allowed us to realize that we can actually regenerate certain things in our body. It helps with stem cell regeneration. We go into a period of autophagy. Autophagy means that we are basically eating away our own damaged cells, so it can create new ones with the stem cells as well. And so very, very simple concept, something to adhere to. It's also free. And so you don't really have to think about a whole lot, but you do have to put some effort into it. Now, the only exception on the fasting is water. You can drink water day or nighttime. Doesn't matter when it is, but try not to drink anything else. Another question is diet drinks. I don't recommend diet drinks at all with anybody with cancer. There's a lot of research showing harmful effects in our body's metabolism. And so just because it has no calories doesn't mean it's equal to water. Okay, it can do some damage as well. So thank you very much.